All right, guys, we're at a new ATNO POTA park and gonna do a little testing here. Gonna try this contraption here, which I'll explain a little later. There's the claw. We're gonna be using, man, there's the rush hour's busy here. All right, anyway, we're going to be using jumper cables as our counterpoise, which I threw up in the bushes here. And yeah, don't hate me for this. We're going to use the coax as kind of our counterpoise. See if this works as our choke. Who knows? And in the radio, what do we got? Test 1 2 3. This is a VA5 MED. 2.2 SWR. Let's see if we could get 10 in the books using this. Thank you.
Roger, verify. QSL. Here is Echo Alpha 1, Alpha Foxtrot. I have you 5-3 Spain today, QSL.
QSL in the 5-3 Spain, right on. Hey, I got you a 5-1 into Saskatchewan today.
Roger. Thank you very much for the talk. Have fun. 73.
Hey, 73's in good DX. Ciao.